Guys, Brian back here with another bone update. All right, we're holding that $1.15 area that I talked about. All right, very crucial area. We definitely want to hold that. We're going to go through the charts here in a second. I got a very good article to show you guys, and also in the description of the video, if you're interested in crypto clothing, hats, t-shirts, they have all kinds of different stuff. Bitcoin, Cardano. All kinds of stuff in there. Go check it out. There's a link in the description of the video, and if you would like to join the channel, you can join the channel in the description of the video. It's $2.99 a month. I would very much appreciate that. That's for members. I put out members only videos, and I would very much appreciate that, guys. So let's move on here. How about this article? Shiba Inu, the Netherlands leads bone adoption in Europe. It goes on to say interest in the Shiba Inu ecosystem token Bone soars in the Netherlands, making it the second most popular asset in the region. The adoption of Bone, Shibaswap, the governance token of the Shibaswap DEX, continues to rise among individual investors and crypto exchanges as the Shibarium launch approaches. However, a few countries, such as the Netherlands, prefer the Shiba Inu ecosystem token more. Bone is the most popular in the Netherlands. The latest data from the leading crypto tracking platform CoinGecko shows that Bone is among the most watched crypto assets in the Netherlands. In particular, the top Shiba Inu ecosystem token is the second most popular crypto in the Netherlands. Check out this. Europe most popular cryptos 2023. Top 3 cryptos per country by web views. You got the UK, Bitcoin, ETH, Netherlands, Fuse, Bone, Cell, Germany, Poland, Russia. Is Bone on any of these other ones? France, Spain, Slovenia, Romania, Ukraine, kaspa. Yeah, I cover kaspa a lot. If you guys if you haven't heard of kaspa, please go check out one of my kaspa videos. Fantastic project, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Coin you definitely want to keep your eyes on. That thing is going to be massive. So, but you can see Bone here, like we said, the second most popular in the Netherlands. Pretty cool. This disclosure comes a few days after the crypto basic revealed that Bone had rallied by 87% in a 30-day time frame. Bone's impressive gains eclipsed all top 100 assets, with the token securing 9th on the biggest gainers among the top 500. Besides Bone, other popular crypto assets boasting a high interest in the Netherlands are Fuse and Cellframe. CoinGecko revealed this upon examining crypto interest by country in Europe based on data for web page views from January 1st to July 9th. Per the study, the Netherlands has also contributed moderately to Europe's overall interest in crypto, boasting 7.3% of the continent's crypto interest year to date. This further places the Netherlands second on the list of the top 21 European countries by crypto interest in 2023. Pretty cool. Yeah, it goes down through here. Other European countries with moderate interest in cryptos include Poland, Germany, Russia, France, Slovenia, Romania, Ukraine, Spain, Ireland, Croatia, Lithuania, Sweden, and Italy. Pretty cool. If we could get all these countries to jump on board, man, I get quite a bit of views from Germany, actually. All these countries, but Germany's my biggest one as far as these ones go. Get a lot from France. While crypto interest in Europe is spread across several countries, Nigeria accounts for the majority of crypto interest in Africa. Nigeria. Nothing personal, but boy, a lot of scams that could be for the reason for Nigeria. I watch a YouTube channel called Catfished, and it seems like Nigeria, all these people send Bitcoin to Nigeria that get scammed on there. Says here, this recent report also revealed that Shiba Inu is among the most popular crypto asset in Ivory Coast and South Africa. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, let's move on, guys. Here's the top crypto bubbles for the day. If you would, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that very, very much. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day out there. There's Shib. But let's move on to these charts here, okay? Here's Bone here. I want to go over a couple things here. First off, I want to show you something. This all ties back together, okay? We got Bitcoin dominance. It's consolidating right about 50%. But Bitcoin, all right, I want to show you this because this is going to get interesting here. The daily RSI for Bitcoin. You see where it's at? Right on the floor down here, okay? I'm going to pull both of these up so they're very visible. All right, the 12-hour. See where it's at? All zeros, okay? The 8-hour. See where it's at? This is, Bitcoin, okay? I'm not acting like you're stupid. Like, see where it's at? I'm just pointing out. These are all on the floor. So, we got the 4 heading down to get reset here. But we have the 8, the 12, the daily, all on the floor. Okay, the weekly is still heading up. 59, 58, still bullish. And we got the monthly still heading up. Alright, so if Bitcoin can flip that 31,550 up here into support, let's zoom out here a little bit. I want to show you this, okay? If it can flip this into support, look at this massive gap here up to 36,000 bucks. It breaks this yellow line here, 31,550. Things are going to get pretty crazy in this market, okay? The number one reason why, if you go back to the last bull run, this was a major support zone for it right here. Over here, it ended up becoming resistance. If we can flip that, it's really going to get fast and interesting, okay? I believe we're heading up to that 48. That's a retrace for Bitcoin, and we'll see what happens here. But let's get back to Bone. That's why you guys are here. And let's check this thing out, okay? Back up to $1.20 now. Alright, so we've hit that. Let's expand this out here. In the our weekly RSI, we show that every time. It's at the top there. The daily is reset. Alright, we have held that $1.15 area. This thing bounced. We zoom in. Okay, let's zoom in. Alright, we have bounced right here. We're fine. That thing is bounced. We've got our daily at the bottom, our 12-hour. Look where it's at, just starting up, a 4.9 and a 1.8. We got a green candle on the 12. On the 8, look at that, right on the bottom. Okay, so that's where you want to see these things. The 4 is just starting up. Alright, so Bone's getting ready to make a move here. Okay, you can see right here there's going to be a trend line through here. You can see it right, it's going to be right about there. Okay, we break that trend line right there and things are going to get interesting. Now it fell out of trend. Let me zoom, let's get this whole thing on here. You can see it fell out of trend. We have this trend line here heading up right here. Okay, it was respecting that trend line the whole way up, fell through it and lost it. Okay, a lot of times you would be this would be coming down. That would be a short position. Okay, but you get your fake outs. If you have your RSIs, that a lot of times once you get into this zone, all your RSIs are going to be maxed out. Okay, your daily is going to be at the top. Okay, your daily is going to be at the top when it breaks through here, and you're going to be looking for it to come down. But look what happened when the daily got to the top over here. Okay, this thing just kept going up and up and up while the daily was at the top. Okay, now we have the daily on the bottom here. Alright, last time you could see what happens when the daily gets to the bottom. At the bottom. Alright, at the bottom. You're going to get a run. Okay, so this is more than likely going to be a fake out. We're going to break that resistance. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Just showing you what I see in the charts. Okay, and I see this thing busting up through here. Where it's going to go, that resistance up at $1.48, that's a tough one. We have triple top there. We've hit it 3 times on the 12-hour and got rejected. So that $1.48 is going to be a if we get up there, okay, which in my opinion I believe we will, but we're going to have to keep an eye on that. That's a very crucial area. It's going to be tough. We got 1, 2, 3 rejections off it. On the daily, we have 2 rejections off it, okay, which is bearish. You could consider that a double top, all right, but I believe we're going to have another run at it here. So if you're keeping your chart, draw this trend line on there, all right, and keep an eye on it. We break that trend line, things are going to get interesting with this thing. And we got Bitcoin about ready to make a move. We have Bones daily RSI on the bottom, the 12-hour on the bottom, the 8-hour on the bottom, and the 4-hour on the bottom. Time is the hardest thing to judge, guys. I can stand here and say all day this thing looks like it's ready to make a move. It's going to go when it wants to go, not when we want it to go. So please just be patient. That the $1.15.51 area right around there, we lose that, okay, this thing's coming down. All right, that's a very crucial area. I believe we're going to hold it. I believe we're fine. I don't see this thing coming down. Did this thing do an ABC in here? Let's check these. Let me get a measurement here. I don't see no 702 here or anything alarming. Okay, so like I said, the $1.15.51, we have to hold that. This thing has to hold that, okay? If it doesn't, this thing's going to come down some. So I believe that we're going to hold it. I believe this thing's going to bounce up. Put your trend line on there and keep an eye on it, okay? All right, guys, thank you very, very much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Check out that clothing. I got some really cool stuff in there. Thanks a lot.